Join the crew on all the stars as we share what we discover. All about the ups and downs of life on a 37-foot sailboat. Stay updated and hit that subscribe button. This video shows how we used a chemical crack detection system on our sailing boat.
Okay, so we have two dirty chain plates, and even though they don't look cracked, what we're going to do is polish them up, and then we've got this dye system, I think, that will show up any sort of invisible hairline fractures that might turn into problems before we put them back on. Get a little bit of polish and rub away all the marks for a very long time. Like that.
It's already cleaned up.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Look at that. So shiny.
Like brand new. So now it's time to use the chemical.
Let's use the chemical thing.
Okay, so these are our shroud chain plates, and this little plate here on the top is just to protect the seal underneath there. I noticed these have been leaking a bit lately, so I'm looking forward to taking those off and cleaning up the mastic in there and just getting rid of all the old sealant, and then we'll be doing the chemical crack detection process. Also our forestay attachment, let's not forget that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strong points we've got to check. Shown here are our midship chain plates, cleaning away the old mastic.
Okay, tell me what you've been up to.
Okay, so we have our cleaned up chain plates and our backstay triangles. We've just tested the backstay chain plates and they've come up good. And this is the crack detection system, which is a chemical system. And how it basically works is it's very clever technology, but we apply the first one, which is a cleaner. So that's just going to take off any grease or residue. The second one is a red dye penetrant. So we spray the red dye on and let that soak for about 15-20 minutes. We wipe off any excess, and then we apply the detecting developer. And how that works is the red dye will have soaked into any cracks that are there, and when you apply the last coat, it'll actually create a white barrier over the surface, and you'll see any of the red coming through on cracks. It pulls the red pigment back through the white so you can see it. So it's very, very clever. So I'll just demonstrate here. Obviously you don't want to be spraying this into your lungs, so you want to hold your breath or wear a mask. This is just the cleaner. It's a very quick spray of that. And I'm going to work from this side so I can see better. And we've just cut up a pillowcase to protect the deck. So that dries within probably 10-15 seconds. And then we're going to apply the red dye, and the red dye will be on for about 15-20 minutes. So just check that that's dry already. You've got to shake the cans for the red dye and the developer. We'll leave that to dry off. Any excess we'll wipe off before we put the final coat on.
Great. Just look at the blood and gore sitting on those plates. Let's see what happens.
Developer.
Look how shiny that is.
It's shiny.
I can see your face in it.
Just watch out, don't get any overspray. That's better. See the white?
Oh yeah.
So if there are any cracks, red will be pulled through, and you can see the holes are sticking out. They're punched holes from when those were manufactured, They're just little marks, they don't go all the way through, but you can see how the red would show up if it was a crack through the white.
Looks pretty good.
They all look good, eh?
Yeah.
No visible cracks. Of course, we'll do the other side as well, just to be sure.
Great.
This is a really, you know, extra step that most yachties wouldn't have bothered to do. Admittedly, we didn't really know about chemical crack detection systems until Darrin put us onto it. So he's given chemtig a bit of a plug, and so have we, as an excellent product to make sure your rig is safe. Special thanks in this episode go out to the yacht rigger Darrin Carter. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe.